What is up, earthlings? Welcome back, and this is Terrestrial Tech. Today we will be switching out and changing the installation of Windows from a hard disk to a SSD, and also this laptop includes the Intel Optane memory, so we shall take a look on how to fix that. Stay tuned, keep watching. Also, before I leave, I'd like to say like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so I know you guys liked this video and want more of these or different kinds of videos. And also this mic, yeah, I forgot to turn it on. These are all the screws, and I have an extra sellotape thing, double-sided tape for this anyway. And I'll bring in my kit, I'll link it up. I just bought it from eBay, or you can also find it on Amazon and all. It's just a simple kit, but it really helps with everything else. And we'll be installing the M.2 SSD, it's 128 gigs, so yeah. Wait a minute now, before you follow me opening up your laptop, make sure your laptop does not have Intel Optane memory installed inside of it. It's usually in the place of the SSD, and what it does is usually it's connected with the hard disk and Windows to boost the boot up times. But it also, if you remove it without unpairing it, then you won't be able to basically boot up your Windows or laptop. So yeah, install the Optane app, unpair it. From there you'll find many answers to that online. It's pretty straightforward. Then shut down and do the rest, whatever I'm doing. And here it is. Me unpairing the Optane memory from the hard disk. If you've done this, then just skip forward, it's fine. So after restarting and shutting down, we have finally made it to the back. We're just gonna swap out the Intel Optane memory and put it in the SSD. I'll show you how it looks like. Now, I had removed the hard disk because it had Windows and it was giving me issues installing Windows on the SSD. So this is how I installed it. What I did was I removed the hard disk. I had a external, if you've ever opened up an external hard drive, you know it has one small piece of board connection that connects it through the cable to the USB. So I used that to format the hard disk from a different laptop, and I installed SSD using a USB on this laptop. That was especially just on my case because I was having issues not being able to install on the SSD. But if in case it doesn't happen to you, then great, just give it a shot. So there you have it. That was pretty much it. We're just gonna close it up and complete with our operation. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that I know that you guys want to watch more. And let me know, what do you want to watch next? And if you have any questions, do not hesitate. Also, there is something very magnificent, interesting coming up, but you're gonna have to stay tuned for that. Right, Mike? Yes. You heard him. That wasn't me. Anyways, peace out.